We just met heuristics, the mental shortcuts that make thinking fast. Now for the catch. Those same shortcuts produce predictable systematic errors in judgment. This work, much of it pioneered by Daniel Kahneman and Amos Tversky, reshaped our understanding of human rationality, and it's genuinely humbling. Take the availability heuristic. We judge how likely something is by how easily examples come to mind. It's often reasonable, common things are usually easy to recall, but it misfires badly when something is memorable for the wrong reasons. People overestimate the danger of plane crashes and shark attacks, which are vivid and heavily reported, while underestimating far likelier killers that don't make the news. Whatever is dramatic and easy to picture feels more probable than it is. This single bias distorts how we perceive risk across the board. Then there's the representativeness heuristic. We judge how likely something belongs to a category by how closely it matches our prototype of that category. Describe a quiet, bookish person who loves order, and most people guess librarian over salesperson, ignoring the fact that there are vastly more salespeople in the world. We focus on the resemblance and neglect to base rate, the actual underlying frequency. This is why stereotypes feel so convincing. A vivid match to a prototype overrides cold statistics. A related trap is the conjunction fallacy, where a specific detailed scenario can seem more probable than a broader one that contains it, even though logically the more conditions you add, the less likely a story becomes. Detail feels like evidence, but mathematically it only narrows the odds. And consider anchoring. Our judgments get pulled to whatever number we encountered first, even when it's irrelevant. Name a high price first, and the negotiation settles higher. Name a low one, and it settles lower. The initial anchor quietly drags the final estimate toward it. The big takeaway is unsettling, but valuable. We are not the coldly rational calculators we like to imagine. We run on shortcuts that work beautifully in the environment they evolve for and fail in specific, repeatable ways, especially around probability, risk, and statistics. This is not a flaw in some people. It's how the normal human mind works. And it's exactly why we developed the scientific methods of Chapter 2, precisely to correct for the blind spots in our own thinking. There are still more of these biases shaping our beliefs and choices, including some with serious real-world stakes, and how to think more clearly in spite of them is where we go next.